Challenge me.
And we fight with the Marcus of Queensberry. Frank, we can get him short. No, I'm fighting tonight, the Marcus of Queensberry. And that's real. And that's real. With the Marcus of Queensberry, I'm fighting tonight. I think Mr. Sapp is awesome. He has awesome physical power. But as I said before, if we fight in the Marcus of Queensberry, I'd love to fight him tonight.
Bob Sapp, you heard the challenge from Mike Tyson. What do you have to say?
Listen up here.
Hey.
They may call you Kid Dynamite. You mess with me, I'll put your fuse out.
Sign the contract, big boy. Sign the contract.